Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Gracie Taylor, and today what we're going to be making is some avocado toast. So what you're going to need today is an avocado, the main star of the show, an egg, some salt and pepper, and some bread. For me, I'm choosing to use multi-grain bread, and yeah, so let's go. Today I'm choosing to do a fried egg for my avocado and toast. It's up to you whether you want to do a fried egg, a boiled egg, a scrambled egg, but for me and today we're gonna do a fried egg. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to the stovetop and we're gonna get ourselves a skillet. We're gonna put some oil in it. I usually like to use olive oil for my eggs, but today what I had on hand was some vegetable oil, and that's quite all right. So I'm gonna heat that up for a little bit, and we're gonna put it up on a medium high, and then we're going to wait until that heats up, and then we're gonna crack our egg and put it in there. We're gonna put some salt and pepper on it, and until the bottom part is a little brown, then we're gonna flip it over. After we flipped it over, that should be good to go. As soon as that gets a little bit of golden brown, and that is our fried egg. So I have my fried egg here already, but what we're gonna move on to now is we're going to do our avocado. So go ahead and grab yourselves a bowl, and we're going to cut the avocado in half. Just like so. We're gonna split it. Depends on how much avocado you like to do. I like to use a half of my avocado. Sometimes depending, I like to use all of it. I'm gonna get myself a spoon. I'm going to scoop out the fleshy part of the avocado and put it in the bowl. I'm also going to take out the pit, the seed, and put that here. And also scrape out the fleshy part of this as well. I like to make sure there's like no brown bits on my avocado. Some people like to go ahead and just eat that, but that's not me. Put that over there. I'm going to get myself a fork. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to mush this together. Kind of like, you know, when you're making like banana bread or something like that, or banana pancakes, you need to like mush it all together. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. Trying to get a nice creamy consistency, or as close to it as possible. It really depends on how you like it. This is how I like it. And while I'm, pushing it together, I like to add a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. And the salt that I'm using is Herbamare sea salt. It's a healthier option and it's a more flavorful option. It's infused with organic herbs and vegetables. So you know, just in case you guys are wondering. I use it in like almost everything. Anyway, so I'm gonna just mush this all together. And then this is the consistency that I'm trying to get. I like it like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and toast our bread. And again, I'm using the multi-grain bread. I'm gonna add some butter to my ahead and grab my egg. I'm going to grab the avocado now and scoop that onto our bread. Do it evenly as possible. I like to add a little bit more salt on the top. Add a little bit of pepper. And then lay our egg on top. And just for plating purposes, I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe around. Let's just get that paper towel and wipe it all around. Presentation is key. That is what I believe. If it doesn't look good, I ain't eating it. So, here we go. And this is the final look. Your avocado and toast. For the people then. We're gonna go ahead and taste it quickly. I'll just get myself a clean fork. You know, I'm being a little bit bougie right now. Some people just go ahead and eat it, but I'm gonna use a fork and knife. Because why not? So good. So good. I'm really happy with it. It's really easy. I love it so much. It's a favorite of mine. I have it all the time. And that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoy this avocado toast as much as I do. All the information is going to be in the description box below, the ingredients that I used. And if you liked it, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and share with your friends this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.